Kwado kinabo boteso arrering na isipeje aboliashonu ka Ekuriket anatari Uganda kiere Isomeroi luoteso kesi ejasi Ekapanakinos jokan Kanu anyunebe pedorete kesi abolobolo Kanu aitasala kopolo ka Ekuriket ore.
Utasi dua itama abolea utasi dua ikamui odong isalami kin mental leja tari dua ardai ya uria kama meanga dos kwa pibore ne pol konye idue ilupek anyu dos a jokes na abolea Ekuriket ngis kwanite ya joka o angina utasi dua atamanar derasi lo ekapaina no ya abolea game la Ekuriket ukara lo dikosa isalami kin soroti Ekuriket academy anwaya una abolea ngini soroto nyepenye ridwelo elo mtozo aboys ache kwa bona to chalo ilo akora lale kamuda kida boys lo chokshan kere perete alomara boya bulana
kwanyen Isomeroi kapanati soroteses laiteses olila hai agora ss kamuda parents ss ka St. Mary's girls ss kesi ijili luna Kanu abolobolo nako district Kalo soroti.
So you just sit at 84 episode kede isap, but mostly episode because this term is for the girls, so we have to ensure that the girls are given more time than the boys. Within this month they are going to have their qualifiers. Starting with the qualifiers, 5 schools will be participating. Light Olila, we have Agora, we have Kamuda Parents, we have St. Mary's Girls. So Anuangun, it's only the 3 schools that will be participating in nationals. Like last year, again 3 schools, but hopefully if all goes well, then maybe UCA gives a chance for 4 slots for sorority, then maybe 4 schools might participate if all goes well. So that we can bring the main trophy. Nara Pasasaya and runners up.
A warm up, then after warm up, we shall go to the batting session. The batting session is basically we're going to prepare them skills like skills techniques like batting, like after this session. Then after that batting session, we shall prepare them for bowling session, then fielding session. Then on the side name polo no is soccer is like physical fitness na pesu. The couple that were just trying to buy them to the game. But I was not pesu. My sport la bowling as Casey, so they're still waiting on the Keja Casey. That's the weakness. I can use the benefit of Ekapanakinos. Friend that I saw, just okay. The runners up the schools week like this says. A friend one like I saw, we managed to score 64 runs off runners up. At least that was. I'm seeing there is some one step ahead.
Onyebodo abolia kakotoma oinerikes kesi opotu itojo kasi aina petano.
Wani Kanu kesi kialo. Dokisi kulini. Udoliongeo tukere. No kukero ne watu komo luongo ben Ekuriket. Doki omo puonyi sikulini. Mo puonyi tukono ber moron. Tukono miwongeo pone me fielding. When I'm batting, get a good.
I'm here to train how to play cricket and the basics. I've learned how to bowl well and bat, then field well. Since last year we were knocked, but this time around we have also planned to knock them.
Era ball and a joke. You also get some opportunities. Okay, Ekamimo Purale Rasi high. But okay, Dabnera ball cricket. Cricket is a good game. It's interesting to play it.
Kanuka TV East, Solomon Ramo, Kobuga Soroti.